In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Themes app and click on Themes at the top. Then you can pick any of available themes. Unfortunately, today something is not quite right with Themes app, so I will try the second option. Go into Categories, pick one of those, or click on the search bar and type in whatever you wish. Then you can pick a perfect theme for you. Buy one or pick one of the free ones. And wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit download. Let's go with this one. Now if you see this pop up, you can pick a different theme or risk it and hit got it. Then wait, tap on apply, and to exclude anything from, for example, if you don't want to change your icons, click on icons option and tap on apply then. I will go with all of those though and hit apply right away. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that theme of my XIAOMI has changed. If you wanna go back to the default one or any other downloaded one, go back to Themes app, tap on My Account at the bottom right corner, select Themes at the top, and tap on one of those, or any other that you downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!